안녕하세요. 저는 제이사라고입니다. 저는 필리핀 사람인데요. Have you ever heard what had happened to Philippines this month? I think you've heard it, right? Just a few days ago, Taal Volcano had just erupted. So many people are affected, and right now they just left their houses and went to evacuation center. And right now they're in need of so many things like food, clothing, and especially masks, because the ashes are still on the air and they need the mask to cover their face, their nose especially. And so I'm here asking you with all my heart for the Philippines to get some help from you. If you have some clothes or some goods that you don't use anymore in your houses, please kindly send it to us so we can also send it to the Philippines. And if you do so, then God will bless you the more. That's all, and thank you.
As long as stars are above you, longer